Hello there, good-looking person. Welcome to our channel, X-Plan Nation, where we bring you new content every week to help you get your project done the right way. Make sure to check out last week's video so that you can stay up to date on the latest in construction. In the prior video, we were explaining how to hire a building contractor. And some of you mentioned that we needed to explain how to find critical information about the contractor that you were planning to hire. So we prepared this. Did you know that if you hire the wrong building contractor, that you could lose your home? You need to believe it, because I have seen it and it is not uncommon. Stick with us and we will show you how to make sure that your home is protected from the horrors of home improvement. Make sure to stay with us until the end so you can learn our 5 easy steps that can help you research legal public records of your contractor with the California State License Board. Before I start, please like, subscribe, and comment. These things have immense value for the channel, and we will make more of these videos to make your life easier. Plus, don't I have the kind of face you just can't get enough of? Now, back to what's important. If you're in California and want to find out if your contractor is legit, you need to follow these 5 steps. First, find out the name of the company or of the contractor that you're about to hire. Or better yet, find their license number. Here in California, every advertisement piece, including business cards and websites, have to list this number in a font size 10 or larger. Second, with these pieces of information, you can go to the Contractor State License Board website at the cslb.ca.gov. And this is the page where you will be landing. The link should be at the bottom of the screen, and also you can find this link in the description of this video. Third, before you move on, you can either read through and check out all sorts of informative content in this page, or you click on the link at the top of the page, third item at the top menu, where it says Online Services, and then you click on the very first item on the next page. The item is listed as Check a License. It should show as a link. Fourth, at this point, you will be on this page to check a license. Then, you will fill out the license number or click at the bigger buttons at the top, where you can use either a name or other pieces of information to research about your contractor. Fifth, once you find them, you find out the status of their license. And you can also scroll down to classification to see what trade he's licensed on and legally allowed to perform. A little bit below that, you find bond information. That's where you see if they are bonded, and if something goes wrong, you have a bond that covers for your claim. And finally, workers' compensation insurance information. If in this last one you see the word exempt, keep in mind that he will not be allowed to use any help on your job. Some contractors are able to give you really good prices because they don't pay any workers' compensation. But you are risking losing your home if anyone gets hurt, or even if they only throw out their back in a wrong move. Your grandee is the ultimate victim A simple cut on a tip of a finger may cost you more than $50,000. And if you can't pay, they can foreclose on your house to collect on a judgment against you. These judgments are based on laws, and you have no defense saying that you didn't know the law or the guy lied to you. In court, this is not a good defense. You will end up trying to collect from that loser later. You should have done your due diligence. See, aren't you glad you subscribed to this handsome face? Huh? Getting back to it, workers' compensation covers for any damage to the people working at your house. So avoid contractors that do not carry workman's comp. It is that simple. Finally, ask if they have liability insurance. Liability insurance covers for physical damage to your property and to any neighboring properties in case that something dumb happens. I can attest to you that even when nothing dumb happens, there is always a dark soul waiting to take advantage of a can of paint left on the sidewalk. They can claim it was a tripping hazard caused by negligence. If the contractor has liability insurance, the target won't be the value of your house. It will be the coverage limits from the liability insurance policy that your contractor carries. So now that you know best, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. That bell sounds like angels to my ears. Thanks for watching another one of our videos here at Explanation, where finding your solution is our #1 priority. I hope you have a wonderful day, keep on smiling, and until next time, stay excellent. Oh my God. Okay.